Welcome to Midnight Creepers. Today I will be shooting my most 3 accurate guns. And my target will be the light switch. And I will be using sticky bullets to know where I hit and to improve on my shots. Let's see how I do on my disruptor. Well, I managed to turn it on, but I did not turn it off again. Now I will be using my fire strike and see if I can finish the job. Okay. So I did not turn it off again, but I got close. Now my final gun, I will be using Clash Combat to see if I can finish the job. Let's see. So I did not turn it off again. Looks like I'll be having to improve my shots a little. Hit that comment what you think I should do next. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on all notifications so you can see when I make a new video, and enjoy the video. See you on Midnight Creepers.